In this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable high contrast text for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings button, which is located in the top right corner of our screen. Now click OK on that, and from here find the device preferences. Click OK and scroll down to find the accessibility. Now go for the caption. No, here it is, sorry. Here you can enable or disable high contrast text by enabling like that or disabling like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.